Today I'm going to do a quick demo of a web application I built called payFriend. Now payFriend is a Node.js application running on IBM Bluemix, which is a platform as a service which makes it really easy to host and run your web applications. Basically you just push the code to IBM Bluemix and it gets everything up and running for you, taking out all of that tedious DevOps kinds of work. So the idea behind payFriend is it demos a website that makes it really easy to send money to your friends. It also shows you how trustworthy your friends are. So before you send that money, you know how likely they are to use it well, to pay you back if you want them to, and that kind of thing. I made this application in a few days as a sample application for the City Mobile Challenge. So it uses the City Mobile APIs all in the background. It also uses some IBM Bluemix services, such as the Watson user modeling service. Now there's a whole plethora of Watson services on Bluemix now. The user modeling one takes some text from a person as input and returns their personality characteristics. As well as the Watson user modeling service, I'm also using SendGrid, the SendGrid service to send email, and the Cloud NoSQL DB service to store some information in the database. And for any one of these services, you can just click on this View More button when you mouse over it to get more details about it, documentation on how to use it, the different plans available, and things like that. So let's see the application in use for real. Let's say I want to send Mother Teresa email. So if we look over at Mother Teresa's inbox here, we see she currently has no email, and that's sad. Mother Teresa, she needs some love. So I'll click on Mother Teresa's name here, and what are we seeing here? When we scroll down, we can see the personality chart that Watson has generated for Mother Teresa. And how this happens is we feed Watson this biographical text in the background, and Watson calculates Mother Teresa's personality characters off of it. Of course, we wonder how trustworthy she is, and let's see, bad highlighting. She is right here, 99% trustworthy. That's good, so let's send her some money. Alright, I'm going to send Mother Teresa a good donation because she needs it. How about $7,800? So I hit send money here, and again, in the background, that's using SendGrid to send email, and the City API to send money. So if we go over here to Mother Teresa's inbox, hey, look at that. Mother Teresa just got $7,800. And this name can be changed as a configuration setting of the application. I have the generic my name in there right now. Okay, so let's say I want to send money to someone who is not already on my contact list. To do that, I can just come up here and type in their name. John Demo Guy, sounds good to me. And his email, johndemoguy@melanator.com. And let's see, add him as a contact. Now we'll see, a contact request was sent, but he isn't added as a contact yet until he goes, checks his emails, and approves my request. So now from the perspective of John Demo Guy, he just got this email. Oh look, his friend, my name, wants to be able to send him money. So he'll go to the link in the email, enter his bank account info so he can receive money, and click submit. Now he'll see this nice friendly message. Great, hopefully your friend will send you money soon. And yeah, that would be nice. And I just want to point out that down here we also have a log of all the services that are being used in the background. So on that previous web request we made, Cloud DB was used to store some info, and the City API was used. Alright, so John Demo Guy approved our request, so let's refresh our homepage here. And look at that, John Demo Guy shows up. So we now have John Demo Guy on our list of contacts, and I'll click his name again, and we see he's trusted at 59%. Now if you're wondering how we get a trustworthiness rating for a random guy who doesn't actually exist, the fact is, we assigned him a random biography. So instead of doing that, again, this is just a prototype demo application, you would probably want to have a field here where a Twitter handle or a LinkedIn profile or something like that can be entered. Then your website could grab information from Twitter or LinkedIn and feed that to Watson. And then Watson could generate a real-life, real-time profile of the person based off their Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other social network profile. I'm not going to bother sending John Demo Guy money because he only has a 59% trust level. And also, you've already seen what that looks like, so no point doing it twice. So that's a summary of what payFriend does in general. And if you want to see the code, the source code is publicly available on IBM DevOps Services. So you can come view all the code, you can edit the code, and fork it, and make your own version of the application, deploy it on Bluemix yourself. And I encourage you to do all this. Try it out. Learn about the City APIs, learn about the Watson services on Bluemix, learn about CloudInt. CloudInt is a neat database service, has a very nice online web interface too. So try this all out, have some fun with the code, and thanks for watching about payFriend.